So here it says el alfabeto, the alphabet. So it says la letra. We have la letra, the letter, una palabra, the word, y el sonido de la palabra, de la letra, the sound of the letter. For example, letter A, a word in Spanish is agua, water. The sound is ah, ah. Next, for B, you're going to say, what word in Spanish is bebé. Bebé, the letter is going to be be, be. Next, letter C. For C, a word in Spanish can be cepillo, toothbrush, or coco, coconut. And the sound of the letter is se, se. Next, we have when you use the letter CH, CH. So a word with that would be chocolate, chocolate. And the sound would be che, ch. Next, letter D. A word with letter D is dedo. Dedo is finger. The sound of the letter would be de, de. Next, letter E. For E, a word would be elefante. Elefante is elephant. The sound of the letter would be e, e. Next is letter F. For letter F, you have the word fuego. Fuego is fire. Fuego. The sound is efe, efe. Next, for letter G, you say gato or gigante. Gato is cat. Gigante is gigantic. And the sound of the letter is he, he. Next, letter H. A word is hoja. Hoja can be a leaf. And the word of the sound of the letter is H, H. Next is letter I. For I, a word is isla. Isla can be an island. The sound is E, E. Next, letter J. A word can be jirafa. Jirafa. Jirafa is giraffe. Jirafa. And the sound of the letter is jota, jota. Next, letter K. A word is koala. Koala is koala. The sound of the letter is ka, ka. Next, letter L. For L, a word is limon. Limon is lemon. And the sound is L, L. Next, for double L, a word is llanta. Llanta is tire. And the sound is ye, eye. Next, letter M, a word is manzana. Manzana is apple. And the sound of the letter is M, M. Next is letter N. For N, we have the word número. Número is number. And the sound of the letter is N, N. Next, for the letter Ñ, you're going to say Ñ, Ñ. The next letter is O. For O, we have the word ocho. Ocho is the number 8. Ocho. And the sound of the letter is O. Next, letter P, we have the word papalote. Papalote is kite. Papalote. The sound of the letter is P, P. Next, we have letter Q. For letter Q, we have the word queso. Queso is cheese. Queso. And the sound of the letter is Q, Q. That's Q. Next, letter R, we have the word rama. Rama can be a branch. Rama can be a branch. And the sound of that letter is R, R. Next we have double R. The word is perro, perro. So now you have to roll your R, perro. The sound of the letter is R, R with the rolled R. Next is letter S. We have the word siete. Siete is the number 7. The sound of the letter is S, S. Then it's letter T. For T we have tigre. Tigre is tiger. The sound of the letter is T. Next we have letter U. We have uvas. Uvas are grapes. The sound of the letter is U. Next we have V. V for V. We have the word violin. Violin is violin. The sound of the letter is V. Next we have W. W, we have the word waffle. Waffle. The sound of the letter is W. W. Next we have letter X. We have xylofono. Xylofono is xylophone. The sound of the letter is X. X. Next we have letter Y. For Y we have yate. Yate is yacht. You say Y. Y. And the last one is letter Z. You say zeta. Zeta is Zeta, an example could be zorro. Zorro is fox.